including our work culture. Today, if you're all seated here, mass sound, pardon me, I just looked up for this, so the note is around here now. But if it is, if all of you are here, this will be mass sound. I think we have never even conceptualized a situation like this, even thought of a situation like this, but today it is there. So things are changing very fast, and that's her specialty to advise us on how to go forward. In addition, she's also the founder and CEO of the Infinite OD, a boutique consulting firm that supplements organizational changes for today as well as for the future. Prior to donning the mantle of CEO of OnCube, she worked in HR leadership roles such as the Chief HR of the Escorts Agri and later as Director HR, Deutsche Bank. Dr. Shalini has exceptional and diverse academic accomplishments to her credit. To begin with, she has a doctorate in organizational science from the Anderson School of Management, University of California, Los Angeles. Her doctoral work focused on understanding processes and allow organizations to work through both incremental and organizational changes. Prior to her academic pursuits abroad, she was an alumnus of some of the most prestigious academic institutions of this country, namely IIM Ahmedabad and St. Stephen's College, New Delhi. Dr. Shalini has over 2 decades of experience working in both Indian and global organizations in senior positions. Moreover, she adores the fusion of her academic experience with the real-world ideas, integrating conceptual depth and empirical wisdom. Furthermore, as co-founder of OnCube, an advisory and education provider about the future of work, her focus is on the impact on people and organizations. A lifelong learner and an educator herself, she hosts a LinkedIn live session every Saturday. I hope she has not missed it today because of her function here, on different aspects of the future of work. Besides being an entrepreneur, Dr. Shalini is a prolific writer on organizations, contributing articles to the HT Mint, the Economic Times, Business World, People Matters, and other leading newspapers and journals, some of which you yourself are following on a daily basis. In addition, she has authored many books, the first being The Secret Life of Organizations, which speaks of the invisible rules of organizational life and is written for young and budding professionals like all of you. Dr. Shalini shares her erudition and pragmatism with many organizations. She is on the board of Indian Institute of Management, Jammu, Wilgrow Innovations Foundation, and is also a global fellow on talent management, the Wharton School of Business, and many such reputed organizations. Thank you, Dr. Shalini, for accepting to deliver the 26th convocation address of Vijay Jyoti Institute of Management. Happy welcome to Vijay once again. Happy congratulations to all you young graduates. All the best to all of you. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite our Director, Dr. C.H.S. Durga Prasad, to present a brief report of the Institute.
Dr. Shalini Lal, our guest faculty, Dr. D.N. Rao, the President of Vijay Jyoti Society, Harishchandra Prasad Garu, General Secretary Vijay Jyoti and President Vijay Jyoti Institute of Management, reported Lakshman Prasad Garu, Joint Secretary Vijay Jyoti, and other members of Vijay Jyoti Society and the Governing Council, dignitaries, graduates, faculty, staff, media, parents who are watching this live streaming, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It gives me immense pleasure to extend hearty welcome to all the students of the class of 2020 who have been eagerly waiting for the last 1 year for this day. The convocation got delayed because of the pandemic. We appreciate your patience, and when we try to have the convocation in a virtual mode, I have received almost 100% response from the students that we want a physical convocation. So then we said, okay, let us have a clear guidance from the government, and again we appreciate for your patience. And it's a great honor and privilege for all of us to have Dr. Shalini Lal, MSS, to deliver the 26th convocation address. On behalf of the Visa and faculty family, I express gratitude to Dr. Shalini Lal for accepting our invitation despite her busy schedule. She has a vast experience in industry, consulting and academia, and also she is a prolific writer. This 28-year-old institution has grown over the years. 17 students graduated from the first batch of this institute, and today I'm proud to have 228 students graduating. We are guided by our philanthropic mentors from the Vigyan Jyoti Society. They are our guiding forces. VISAM is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation and has been rated A to the national level by CRISIL. We had a second cycle of the CRISIL rating, so both at the second cycle also we have been rated as A grade. VISAM is ranked 36th among the top 100 B schools in the country, and 25th top private B schools, and 8th in the South India as per the recent Times B School Survey 2021. On behalf of the team VISAM, I express my sincere gratitude to all our mentors and well-wishers on this occasion. The teaching learning process of VISAM is guided by a very strong academic board comprising of both learned academicians and the corporate representatives from different functional areas. Their untiring guidance and support have helped us take the right steps in providing quality education. I thank all our board members for being continuous support system of VISAM's growth. VISAM is an innovation-driven B school where the innovations range from curriculum to the pedagogy. We follow the education theory of outcome-based education. OBE bases each part of the educational system around the goals. By the end of the educational experience, each student should have achieved the goal. This batch is the first batch which has completed the entire cycle of the OBE process. VISAM is the first institution in the city who has successfully implemented the OBE process. Though the pandemic wreaked havoc across all sectors in the world, we were among the first B school in the country to ensure that the academic sessions of the students do not get affected, and we adopted the online mode of teaching learning almost literally after the lockdown was announced. Our concern was that this batch, which completed almost all the academic activities in March 2020, had to start taking up their jobs very soon, and we could not let them suffer. Hence, we completed their academic sessions online and ensured that they had their course completion certificates well on time to take up their jobs. We readjusted our academic calendar to ensure that the academic activities for the institute do not get affected. The PGDM program of VISAM are built on 4 pillars: the regular classroom teaching learning spread over six trimesters, 150 hours of career vision schooling, popularly known as CVS, industry interface and mentoring. The experienced and dedicated faculty of VISAM are the concrete which makes the pillars strong. One of the major strengths of this institute has been its faculty. About 80% of the VISAM faculty have PhD, and majority of them come with rich industry experience. Faculty strength of VISAM includes the regular full-time faculty, adjunct faculty, practitioners and foreign faculty. The strength of our faculty has increased to 40, and the faculty-student ratio is at 1:12, which enables us to ensure better teaching, learning and mentoring. Our faculty members have published and presented 47 research papers in reputed journals and in national and international conferences since the previous convocation. 4 faculty members have published book chapters, and there are 3 cases published. 2 of our faculty, namely Dr. Ramani Meduri and Dr. Vijay Sri were awarded the PhD in 2020. Mr. Raghu Mantha, the librarian, has already submitted his thesis for the award of PhD, and others are in the process of completion of their PhD. VJIM believes in the continuous development of the faculty, which would help improve the quality of the teaching learning process of the institute. Our faculty have attended around 60 faculty development programs or workshops during this period. During this pandemic, along with the teaching online, our faculty also ensured to update their skills and completed about 91 certifications in all. They have attended around 156 seminars and webinars since the last convocation. We have conducted about 12 management development programs and completed 10 consultancy assignments. A Center for Excellence in MSME has been formed at VJIM. I congratulate all my faculty colleagues and staff for their continuing and unconditional support in institutional building. The journey for this batch started on June 2018. The batch went through a rigorous learning process for about 22 months. The last trimester examinations were completed online as the country went into the lockdown. The 3-week, well-structured inbound orientation program, followed by the pre-term courses, broke all barriers and brought all the students to a common learning platform. This also acclimatized them both to the institution and management education. The knowledge of the core subjects of the first year helped the students take up a 12-week summer internship in reputed companies. This rigor and experience from the market helped the students not just gain the practical exposure, but also helped them secure good placements in reputed firms across multiple sectors. Business simulation is a part of the curriculum which helped the students run their own virtual companies. Apart from all these, certification programs were conducted for the benefit of the students. 6 such certifications were conducted in the areas of the digital marketing, knowledge management, data science using Python, Six Sigma, US tax consulting, financial statement analysis, and sourcing techniques for the benefit of the students by the reputed organization. When the students join this institute, they are advised to unlearn and relearn to ensure better and quicker learning. Our faculty members play a very crucial role in mentoring the students from the day one of their institute. The mentors help them with their career guidance as well. Regular industry academia interface has helped the institute in bringing practical experience from the corporate world into the classrooms. Conference, seminars, and guest lectures are organized regularly. VJIM organized the second international conference in January 2020 on the second edition of the theme, Impact of Current Events on the Future of Business. The third edition is scheduled in the month of April. The conference saw a 2-day deliberation of about 36 papers from 66 authors. About 80 guest speakers interacted with the students during the guest lectures and seminars. 5 business conclaves were organized for the students of this batch on different sectors. The conclaves were organized in the areas of marketing, finance, HR, and general management. About 25 speakers shared their experience with the students during these conclaves. Students of VJIM are also encouraged to take up field visits and field assignments which will help them apply their conceptual knowledge. ITC had organized ITC Yuva Challenge, which has a sales activity and a contest for the students of these schools. Students also presented their papers in the national and international conferences. VJIM has active academic collaboration with North Texas University, USA, and recently we also signed an agreement with Lincoln University, Malaysia. We are proud to announce that we have introduced a PhD program in collaboration with the Lincoln University College, Malaysia. In the academic year 2019-20, we introduced a new concept called mentorship, where the students will take up a short live project with companies on specific topics and areas. The students would work under the guidance of mentors from the institute as well as the industry. These were certification courses which has a value addition for the students. Ladies and gentlemen, in this convocation, 228 students are being conferred the postgraduate diploma in management. Students of the batch have been placed in various varied sectors like FMCG, BFSI, IT, KPO, retail, paints, real estate, consumer durable, and others. This year saw some of the best national and multinational companies visiting our campus for placements. Students have been placed in reputed organizations like Burger Paints, Deloitte, FactSet, Global Data Research Center, Godrej, Homeline, ICICI Bank, Invesco, MRF, Mondelez, Monisto, Nestle, and to name a few. About 75% of the batch have we received the offer letters before the lockdown was announced, and all the recruiters honored their offers despite the lockdown conditions. We thank all our recruiters for that. As many as 65 companies visited our campus, and out of them, around 40% of the companies are repeat recruiters, indicating that VJM students have made a mark in the progress and growth of these companies. The highest salary offered was 8.5 lakhs per annum, with a mean package of 5.2 lakhs per annum. About 81% of the students are placed, and we express our sincere gratitude to all our recruiters. The past history of the placement was 90% above. Because of the pandemic, last year we were able to place 81% of the students. VJM, sticking to the roots of value embedded in us